Petra from Den Haag, Netherlands, Europe. I'm 54 years old and I'm a gardener and social assistant. And my symptoms before the course were like I felt insecure and lonely with my experiences from myopia. So I was really looking for like-minded people. I had doubt, I was a little bit lost in this whole big world of, there's so many teachers who are offering courses and online for free, YouTube, but I felt lost. I didn't know what to do, and so I was looking also for accountability buddy, people, little small community where you can talk about your problems or exercise or experiences. Because I really don't like to wear glasses anymore. They give me strained eyes. My eyes hurt after wearing glasses, and I have to wear them for driving. Looking for. I don't recognize faces, but I'm okay with that. But for driving, it's just can be dangerous, or it is dangerous for me because I experience -6 maybe, round about -6. I knew Meer Schneider, and he was always talking about this lady from Spain, and so through the summit, which I know I did in beginning of the year 2021. She did a summit, and that was super interesting. And then I did a testimonial, and I won a prize, and the prize was this course. So I was super fortunate to join, and for free. What did I like about this course so far? Because of course it's ended, the webinars have ended, but it's always going. It's an ongoing journey, right? I can review the Hotmart platform with all the lessons, all the videos, so much material, content. But so far, the practices I found super easy. The theory behind it, I have to review it again because there was so much. What I really liked about the webinars, the live sessions, because they were quite late for me, but you're challenged to do them together, and I always would ask to put something in the chats, so we really were participating, and that's really what I liked, to participate live, and and that we could ask questions, not all of us of course, but we could raise our hand, and then Naya would take our question. So that was really very helpful. And then that they are all recorded, of course. Maybe the chat was not recorded. Maybe that's a thing for next course, but very helpful. And what I really liked was Anoya's flexibility, because there were so many people, more than 261 or more, maybe 300, and everybody has his demands or questions or favorite timings, and she always managed to make it everybody's profit to attend the sessions. The impact, it's, as I said, until now, huge impact. I feel less strain. I accept my eyes, my vision as it is today. I have more trust, and I just accept my vision, and I allow the strain which is coming out and which I have kept for years. I started wearing glasses maybe when I was 14. Now I'm 54, so that is 40 years. So I can't expect that it is my vision. Well, it has to do with life, right? My whole vision of life on life has changed. So, and my life on vision. So, yeah, my vision of life and my life on vision has changed already in those, I don't know how many weeks we took this course. So, yeah, very, very, very grateful and happy, and looking forward to even having more improvements. So, yeah, if you have ever any doubts, just trust Ainhoa and her team. Her team is great. They answer any questions. Yeah, nothing is too much or too complicated. So, yeah, just trust yourself, and I mean, it's super, super worth it. I mean, where would you be without your eyes? Or, I mean, how great is it to change your vision? You can always change your vision of life. Very important. So, yeah, just take the ride. Good luck. Ciao.